Okay, good evening, children. Today I will discuss about the topic is nested if else. In these nested if else concepts using, I will teach one program. This program is represent IIT awareness. IIT awareness using nested if else. Nested if else. Okay, yes. Already we know a nested if else statement is nothing but one if else within another one if else. Okay, that's why simply tell you the syntax for this coding. Syntax here, if here condition or expression, condition or expression. Okay, in this condition will true, again the next condition. If condition for expression, right? These two condition is true. Okay, can do the action one, right? Yes. In case this condition only true, but this condition is false means it will goes to else case. It will goes to else case action 2, right? Yes. Okay, yes. Sir, another one if else, how can we do, sir? You see, first, if condition or expression, if given a condition is true, action block 1, otherwise action block 2, right? In case in this condition, okay, yes. In this condition is false means else open action 3. Okay, yes. Right? You see this syntax for this program. Okay, one if else statement, another one if else statement. Already we know one if else, right? Here another one if else statement. So closed. In this syntax based, we will make you one coding or program. Suppose you will be applying IIT JEE. We know today roundup mark simply is MPC method. MPC. So each subject 25, 25 and 25. Totally 75 questions. And then same time 75 into 4, 300 marks. The out of 300 only, everybody counting will are eligible for. Suppose your mark will be what? Your IIT JEE, right? Your JEE mark is greater than 230. So this is one condition. Next, Suppose you are eligible for JEE main, you are getting mark JEE advanced mark greater than 250. These two condition is false. Sorry, these two condition is true. Really, you will be a IITian. In case this condition is false, one, this condition is true, this condition is false, you will be an IITian. Okay, suppose in this condition is false, try to attain JEE. And eligible for JEE. This about will make a program. Actually, this is syntax. This one is one if else statement within another one if else statement. Then it is called nested if else. You see, this is one type of if else. This is another one type of if else. So one if else within another one if else. It is nested if else statement. Sir, how to make a coding? Here, I will tell you every program, we know every program starts from hash, right? Directly we go to program here that purpose hash here include input and output stream, right? Here using namespace, using namespace standard, and then coding start from int main. Here open, getting mark. Okay, float JEE main mark. That's why JEE and then JEE AM. It's nothing but JEE advanced mark. Declaration is one. Here float, right? Now in that case here declaration. Okay, JEE mark and then JEE advanced mark. How can we declare, sir? Here in this coding, I want to declare cout, enter the value of JEE mark. Right? Now, in that case, we are getting keyboard via CN. Okay, J E M M. Next, we'll go to the next one is JEE advanced mark. So here cout is inside the loop. Enter the value of JEE advanced mark, right? In the keyboard by how we are getting C in JEE advanced mark, right? First one is declaration JEE mark and then JEE advanced. mark. Enter the value of JE mark and then JEM and then enter the value of JE advanced mark. That's why JE advanced mark. Now we will apply the condition, right? That condition one by one will follow, right? You see, first enter the value of JE mark. So we will apply the condition. If JE, okay, mark, sir, JE mark, you declare also. Once you see what you declare, JEAM, JEMM. That's why I will tell you JEMM is greater than, the JE mark is greater than 280, right? Here the open brace, same time the condition here, if condition JE advanced marks greater than 250. So these two condition is false. Sorry, these two condition is true. See out. Okay, you are eligible for IIT college, right? So we represent JE mark greater than 230 and then same time JE advanced mark greater than 250. These two condition is false. You are eligible for IIT college. Okay, otherwise eligible in this eligible mark 230, right? But here the mark is not eligible. That's why else case will introduce that else case. Okay, for eligible for NIT college. So closed. Now here the first condition also false. First condition also false. Directly will goes to here else case see out, try to attain eligible for attain eligible for JE and okay, here is a closed. So next you see that is into mine. That's why we'll introduce in that case return what? Return 0. Try to edging for the J main mark, return 0 and then close brace. Yes. Here we'll checking input and output, right? First one by one we will see. First enter the value of JEE mark. Okay, now the value will be 240, and then enter the value of JEE advanced mark, sir, 260. So what will happen? You are eligible for which college? IIT college. Okay, yes. Next, enter the value of JEE main. Enter the value of JEE mark 242. Right. Now enter the value of JEE advanced mark. In that case, JEE advanced mark 248. So you are eligible for NIT college. Okay, yes. Now enter the value of JEE mark. The mark will be 220. Okay, so what will happen? Try to attain and eligible for JEE main. JEE main. Okay, yes. So these things will happen for this program. Okay, once you see, all of you listen clearly in this coding. First, we're getting like this, right? So these two things, one is JEE main mark, another one is JEE advanced mark. Your JEE main mark 230 and above, and then same time your JEE advanced mark 250 and above, you are eligible for what? IIT college. And then otherwise, this condition true, sir, this condition JEE advanced mark is false means eligible for NIT college. But these condition also false means try to attain eligible for JEE what? Main mark. So in that case, example 240 and then 260. So eligible for NIT college. And then you are enter JEE mark 242 and then JEE main mark 248. So you are eligible for NIT college. Enter the value JEE mark 220. Try to attain the eligible for JEE main. Okay, yes. This about we learned today IIT awareness using concept is one. Nested if else. Okay, yes. Nested if else using this program we wrote. Okay, yes. The next class we will see about loops statements. That about we will see in a next class.